You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly and clarify the pronunciation. A boy's name of Scottish origin indeed. If you want to learn more Scottish names, stay tuned. Originally from Hebrew, Jacob. Hamish is how to pronounce it. It's the same in British English or American English. Hey, not ha. I believe generally it's pronounced hey. Hamish. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Hamish? Let us know in the comments if you know of any other pronunciations. This is the English/Scottish. Kind of doesn't make sense to say English-Scottish, but they speak English in Scotland, don't they? Anyhow, I'm getting into trouble. Hamish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.